Hi, good morning. Today is the second day at Hatton region, and early in the morning. Now it's around 8:45, and here we can see one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka, which is uh, Devon Falls. I have come to a place that I can see the waterfall so much better than this and better than previous shot. Oh, I need the YouTube thumbnail. Let me take it right now. This will be better. And after visiting this Kovel today, our plan is to spend today's night camping. Camping at Haritakanda, the famous campsite, and we will be leaving a home point today at around after few hours from now, and we need to get some food and reach there by 3 p.m. before rain starts falling. Okay, we are reaching the Koil right now, which is not functioning. So it says, so there are some signboards here in Tamil and Sinhala languages. I don't know what this says, but this says remove your shoes and enter. Okay, let me remove my slippers. This is kind of like very ancient Koil, seems like, and the best part is, let me show you, I can see the Devon Falls view better than previous views from right here. Again, it's not like a big one, but seems like kind of religious. It belongs to the Hinduism. I think it's there's no issue on recording this stuff. And we stayed there. Yeah, over there. We stayed last night over there, somewhere here, around here. And this is the Devon Fall, and this is me.
phone එක signal දෙන්න ඕන GPS 16 නෑ මේ GPS.
Okay, it's gone.
Sorry. අල්ලන්න කරන්නේ නැද්ද? මූ ටිකක් හැදිලා වගේ අරුට. නෑ මූ කාලා වැඩි බං. මේ කට කලුයි නේ. අරුගේ කට කලු නැද්ද? වට්ටයක් මම නෑ මූ. වට්ට වගේ නෙමෙයි පුතානේ. මේක ගයිනේ.